Hey guys, today we're going to do a short little video on my 62 Chevy truck. When I got this truck, I don't know, 19 years ago, 18 years ago, there was no jack under the seat, and I've been searching everywhere. And they're on eBay for a couple $100, but I actually found this from some guy on Facebook for I think I paid 75 bucks plus the shipping. I also got the bracket that holds the jack, but I already had that, so I don't need that part. So I'm going to actually see if it'll lift the truck up, and then we'll figure out how to store it. So there's kind of a hook on the end of this crank handle. It sort of hooks into the jack, so that's kind of handy. Alright, well, it's lifting it. Back might be kind of problematic because the lowering blocks I have under there. I'm going to have to get under the control arms to the axle. It's kind of a moot point. I don't have a spare tire anyway. Probably just call AAA. Alright. I guess you can just use the hook to get it out of there. So I found this image online. Apparently there was a decal or sticker or something that went under here that showed how all this stuff went in. So I have the jack and the bracket. The bracket I already had. The wheel wrench, tire iron, which I do not have, and then the jack handle. And then there's a spring that kind of goes over all that and locks that in place. Looks like the jack just lays in there, and then the spring, the loop on the end, hooks it. Being bombarded by acorns falling. Kind of tucks under here. And the spring goes over it and hooks it. That seems kind of lame. How about that handle's not going anywhere, I don't think. Not crazy about the lug wrench though. Maybe it needs to go on top of the handle. There. Good enough for me. We're not going to any Concours restoration shows anyway, so that'll be good. Thanks for watching.